Smart Cookies, starring Bigby, Misfortune, Chapowski, and Cookie Monster. Will the Smart Cookies catch the crumb? Find out on Smart Cookies.
Smart Cookies! Smart Cookies, thank goodness you're here. You must protect my latest masterpiece, the Venus de Marshmallow.
Oh, marshmallows look delicious.
Oh, don't eat my sculpture.
Cookie Monster, control yourself. And whatever you do not let the crumb near that sculpture.
Right, Crumb. And he is...
You're kidding me, right? He looks like this.
Oh.
How could you possibly forget?
Maybe me remember better if we had chewy cookie snack.
Stay away from my city center!
Rookie! Focus. And watch out for the crumb.
Right, yeah, no worry, Chapowski. Crumb never gonna get by me. Wow! Hi.
Pardon me?
Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on a second.
What?
Me have to check and see if you, guy in picture named Crumb.
Me?
You. Let's see here. You have same nose as Crumb, and same eyes as Crumb, and same ears as Crumb. Something tells me that you are the Crumb.
But I have a mustache.
Oh yeah, guy in picture no got mustache. Okay, come on in, fella.
I fooled him with facial hair. Now behold, my latest bad baked good. The crumb strikes again.
Oh, it's raining in my art gallery. It's going to destroy my beautiful sculpture. Stop the raining cookies, Smart Cookies.
Oh, we know how to solve this problem.
Every smart cookie knows you can't just reach a cloud cookie just by jumping. It's too high. You gotta stop and think this through.
Oh, I'm getting a clue. If you want to smell a cloud cookie, you need something really long.
Now me know what me need. Yeah, now me have luxurious long hair. Cowabunga!
How is long hair gonna help you stop a cloud cookie?
Me not know. It's actually the only thing that he could think of that long.
Oh, Bigby, can you pull up any other things that are long? Searching now. Oh, a pole can be long. Oh, a pole can also be long. And a train can be long.
The Venus de Marshmallow's arm.
Me know what long thing to use. We stop cloud cookie with long boat. Cowabunga! Okay, why long boat not work?
Stop and think it through, rookie. The boat is long this way. The cloud cookie is up high. So we need something long this way so we can reach up high.
See, the Venus de Marshmallow before it's too late.
Okay, me go get long train. Wait a minute. Me better stop and think it through. Yeah, train is long this way. Me need something long this way to reach up high. Oh, pole look like it reached something up high. Me try pole.
Great at thinking through, rookie.
Okay, me got long pole. Now what?
Yeah.
But I'll get you next time.
No need for thank you.
What about the arm?
Oh yeah, delicious. me bake cookies now.
You shall not pass!
Oh, boy, you dramatic.
Sorry, but you didn't put in all the ingredients.